How to eat better dinners. Eating a nutritious and well-balanced dinner is important for maintaining good health and managing weight. Here are some tips to help you eat better at dinner. Plan ahead. Planning your dinner in advance can help you make healthier choices. Decide what you want to eat, make a list of ingredients, and shop for them ahead of time. Choose a variety of foods. Include a mix of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats in your dinner. This will give you all the nutrients you need. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Try to choose whole, minimally processed foods instead. Control portion sizes. Eating too much at dinner can lead to weight gain. Use smaller plates and bowls and measure your portions to avoid overeating. Cook at home. Cooking your own meals allows you to control the ingredients and preparation methods. Try to cook at home as much as possible. Limit alcohol. Alcohol is high in calories and can disrupt your sleep. Limit your intake to 1-2 drinks per day. Eat slowly. Eating slowly can help you feel full and satisfied with less food. Take time to chew your food and enjoy your meal. By following these tips, you can make healthier choices at dinner and improve your overall health.